Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our Plymouth Duster here. For some reason the key buzzer is sticking, so we got to get that looked at. There you can see the about a quarter tank of gas. There's your other gauges hooked up, oil pressure. It's cold, so there's no water, or no temp yet. Radio does not work. Fan does work. Horn works. Blinker to the left, you see the indicator, it has that option on the fenders too, and that works. Obviously you can see I got the parking brake set. There's your wipers. Great sound to it. There you can see the dome light. So radio is about the only thing that doesn't work. It sounds great, runs nice and smooth. Power steering, power brakes. There's your tail lights. So, great sounding car, great running car. Got any questions? Give me a call, 605-695-7391.